There's your book.
Hey.
What's this? I. Where's the baby? Say wawawi. You can say wawawi. What's that? What's this?
Baby.
What's this? Hey, what's this? Hey. Now raise your arms to the sky.
Baby.
What's that? You kiss the baby? Oh, kiss the baby.
Baby. Baby. Hey. Baby.
Ay, sorry.
Baby. Ba.
Baby? Ay. Ay. Nikki, come here. You read. Where's the baby? Where's your book? You comb your hair? Get your book. Ashley, can you recite your ABC now? A. A. Say wawawi. Hello? Get the phone. Hello? You wanna get the phone? Where's the phone? Let's get the phone, okay? Oh, say hello. Say hello. Hello? What will you say? Hello?
How? How?
Say hello. Say hello.
Yeah.
You say hello. Bye. See ya. Oh, say. Oh. Me? Give it to Ashley. Say hello.
How? Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Very good. Good girls. Come here. Where's your book? Let's read. Huh? Where's your book? Come here. You want to read? Come here, Ashley. Come. Nikki. Ashley.